Hey learners, welcome back to English Journey, the place where learning English becomes easy, fun, and exciting. In today's video, we're diving into a very important topic that forms the foundation of English grammar, the parts of speech. What is a part of speech? Parts of speech tell us what role a word plays in a sentence. Let's learn the first four parts of speech. 1. Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: teacher. The teacher is kind. City. I live in a big city. 2. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Examples: she is my sister. We are going to the park. 3rd verb. A verb shows an action or a state of being. Examples: jump. Kids jump on the bed. Is, he is my friend. 4th adjective. An adjective describes a noun, person, place, or thing. Examples: happy. It's a happy dog. Blue. She wore a blue dress. And that's a wrap on today's lesson from English Journey. Remember, nouns name, pronouns replace, verbs show action, and adjectives describe. Mastering these is your first big step toward fluent English. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below with your favorite part of speech. Bell.